Hey Danny, so if you want to achieve like the last 7 day thing, what you can do, so here you can see I have like created that, and so here what I'm doing is gonna do a filter where created at is bigger or equal to, and then I will say I will use date, so the current date, 15th, and I will just add um, add days, but actually remove them. So for 7 days, it would be 7. But here, because my created out is the 13th of April, I'll just put 1. And then if I'm just going to remove this. And if I save this, now you see the filter removed, 13th. So if you wanted to do the same for 7 days, you would use 7 here. Right. I hope it helps.